Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the most easy, tender, slow cooker pot roast. Pot roast is comfort food perfect for the season. It's slow cooked so that the veggies are tender and the meat is just falling apart. It's also one of those meals I can throw everything into a crock pot, go about my day, and have a delicious warm dinner waiting for me. So let's get started. In a slow cooker, place 3 pounds of boneless, skinless beef chuck roast. You want to make sure you season both sides really well with salt and pepper. Pot roast is one of those meals that I love to make on Sundays or when I have company and need one of those stress-free dinners. When I host, I like to choose meals where I'm not slaving over a stove, and this is one of them. Plus, who doesn't love pot roast? Next, add 4 minced garlic cloves, 1 sliced onion, 3 carrots peeled and sliced into 1-inch pieces, and 2 potatoes peeled and cut into chunks. Season everything well with salt and pepper. Give everything a gentle toss to coat. Next, pour over 2 beef bouillon cubes dissolved in 1 cup of hot water. Lastly, add 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Cover and cook on high for 6 to 7 hours or on low for 10 hours. 30 minutes before it's done cooking, mix 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water to make a slurry. Uncover and gently stir it into the sauce. This will give it a nice, slightly thick gravy. Cover and cook for another 30 minutes. You'll know when it's done cooking when the meat and potatoes are nice and tender. Normally, if it's just my family, I'll serve it straight from the slow cooker, but if I'm having company, I'll transfer it to a nice serving dish. You gotta take a look at this. The meat is just falling apart. I just love classic, comforting, hearty dishes like this. And the best part, it was super easy. I know this is more of a fall, winter type of meal, but honestly, I make this year round. It's so good, you guys. You guys, don't forget to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.